Imagine losing years of meticulously organized photos and edits. That's the terrifying reality of a corrupt Lightroom catalog. But don't panic. We'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix common issues, safeguarding your entire photo library. First, for minor issues, try validating your catalog. Go to the Help menu and select Validate Catalog Integrity. Lightroom will then check and repair any minor inconsistencies. If it reports success, you're good to go. If your catalog feels sluggish, optimizing it can significantly improve performance. Head to the File menu and choose Optimize Catalog. This defragments the database, making it faster to access your images. It's like tidying up your digital attic. What if validation fails or Lightroom won't open? It's time for a backup. When you open Lightroom, look for the Choose Catalog dialog. Select Open a different catalog and navigate to your Lightroom Backups folder. Always pick the most recent stable backup. Prevention is key. Set Lightroom to back up your catalog regularly, especially when you close the program. You can configure this in your Lightroom preferences. Under the General tab, choose a frequency that suits your workflow, like every time Lightroom exits. By proactively validating, optimizing, and backing up your catalog, you'll ensure your creative workflow remains smooth and uninterrupted.